Understanding Maintain the Lawn, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, maintain the lawn. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, especially when talking about home care and gardening. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Maintain is a verb that means to keep something in a good condition or state. It involves regular checks, repairs, and care. The lawn refers to an area of ground covered in grass, usually found in front of or behind a house. So, when we combine these words, maintain the lawn means to take care of the grass area by regularly mowing, watering, and keeping it neat and healthy. Maintaining a lawn is important for several reasons. Firstly, it keeps your home looking attractive and well kept. It also contributes to a healthy environment by providing a space for plants and wildlife. Regular lawn maintenance can prevent issues like weed overgrowth and diseases in the grass. 1. Mowing. Regular cutting of the grass to keep it at an even height. 2. Watering. Providing the lawn with enough water, especially during dry periods. 3. Weeding. Removing unwanted plants that compete with the grass for nutrients. 4. Fertilizing. Adding nutrients to the soil to promote healthy grass growth. Dealing with pests. Sometimes, insects and small animals can damage the lawn. Weather conditions. Extreme weather, like droughts or heavy rains, can affect lawn health. Time management. Regular maintenance requires time and effort, which can be challenging for busy homeowners. Maintaining a lawn might seem like a simple task, but it actually involves regular care and attention. It's a great way to keep your home looking beautiful and contribute to a healthier environment. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to maintain the lawn and how you can do it effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!